yummy pancakes. And it's going to be so delicious. And the most important thing of all pancakes is to be fluffy and delicious. So let's start without any further ado.
The ingredients we need are 2½ cups of flour, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of kosher salt or 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, and please do not add 2 teaspoons of sea salt. 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 2½ cups of buttermilk, 2 egg yolks, 1 stick of melted butter.
And by the way, 1 stick of melted butter is equal to 8 tablespoons of melted butter. Also, we need some normal butter later, so save some for later. 1 egg separated white and separated yolk. The utensils we need are 2 mixing bowls, we couldn't show the second one, a rubber spatula, a whisk and a saucepan, either non-stick or cast iron. That's all we need. Okay, let's get started with the recipe. So we are going to put 2½ cups of flour in this big pink mixing bowl. I'm making pancakes for the first time, so I'm super duper excited for the result. Okay, all the flour is in. Now we are going to add the lovely, wonderful sugar. If you have seen our last cooking recipe, which is mug chocolate cake, you would have known how much I love sugar. It's like white snow. So nice. Okay, here is the last tablespoon. We need 3 tablespoons of sugar. Now we are going to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. If you don't know what is baking powder is basically the mix of baking soda and cream of tartar. What is cream of tartar? I don't even know that. Okay, now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Not powder, soda. Now we are coming to the most crucial part, the salt. If you're using kosher salt, which has a less salty taste, use 2 teaspoons. But if you're using sea salt, please only use 1/4 teaspoon. You don't want it to taste salty because sea salt is really strong. Alright, time to whisk it. Alright, the dry ingredients are whisked. Now time for the wet.
Now it's time to pour the buttermilk, and it is 2½ cups. Oh, I just love buttermilk. I eat it with rice. I think I'm a buttermilk-aholic, to be honest. I just can't wait to drink it. Now it's time to pour in 2 egg yolks. In you go, egg yolks. Why isn't it going? Come on, go in. Hello? Oh, finally, it went. It looks like 2 eyes. Kind of looks. Now, we're going to add 1 stick of melted butter. To be honest, the melted butter looks exactly like the 2 egg yolks. Now, we're going to mix it. Why don't we speed up the process? Mix, mix, mix.
Okay, we have mixed it. Now it's time to add separated egg white and yolk, and it should be separated because whole egg, it won't be that fluffy. And don't need to whip the egg white. If you just put it normally, it'll be fluffy enough. And I know lots of eggs. We have to crack open 3 and throw the white of 2. Uh-oh. Let's just imagine it didn't happen. Let's just mix it. Okay, there's the dry, there's the wet. Wet to dry. Okay, that looks a little like banana milkshake. Okay, gently fold. It will be fast here because we speed it up a little, but please gently fold. Don't over mix. because it won't be that fluffy. And if you see clumps of flour, it's okay. Let it stay there. But mix a little more. It should be just enough. Now time to rest. Yes, rest for 15 to 30 minutes. So after rest, turn on the flame to medium and put the butter we saved earlier into a pan. It can be non-stick or cast iron. Let it melt a little. Wow, it's bubbling. Now we are going to put a helpful glob or 1/3 cup of pancake batter into the pan or onto the pan, whatever. Okay, now when you see the bubbles, that's the time when you have to flip it. I know it doesn't look fluffy now, but when you flip it, it'll be fluffy in 3, 2, 1. Wow, can you see at least a little fluffiness? At least a little? Wow, it's so good, it's so yummy! Okay, there you go, the finished pancake. Now, for our touches, we are adding honey. And also, if you're afraid of the gas, the fire, please ask an adult to help. Now time to taste test. That's so good, so yummy. Really good, right?
Yummy
Hey.
in my tummy.
Hello. You have to say goodbye.
Goodbye. Please like and subscribe.